In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix GLFW error 65542 in Minecraft. First thing you want to do is you want to open Google here. So open Google Chrome and type in DLL files. Over here, you want to go to this website and type in OpenGL. So here you want to type in OpenGL32 and then press enter. So go to this one. Down here you want to download the DLL folder. So if you're running a 32-bit computer, you can check by going here and going to properties. Here you'll be able to check. So as you can see, mine is 64-bit. So if you're running 32-bit, you have to download the 32-bit, which is this one. So I'll download this one, 64-bit. I'll wait for the install. As you can see, once it's finished installing, now you want to open it in downloads. So extract the file here. And here what you need to do is we're gonna drag this folder into the folder inside of Java. So if you go here and you go to C drive, and then down here if you go to program files x86, now if you type G on your keyboard, you'll be able to search for Java. If you don't find this Java here, you might have to go to this folder, program files. So you might have to go and search here, and you might have to like search in, if you have multiple program files like I do here I have two. So you might have to search into like all of them to find Java. So once you type G and find Java here, open it. And by the way, if you don't have Java, you can install it easily just by going here and type in Java, download, and here you'll be able to download Java and install it. So if you click download, so this will download the installer, and you'll just run the installer and this will install Java. This way you will be able to see this folder here. So once you basically install Java, you want to go here and find the recent version of Java. So here, as you can see, I have this one as a recent version. You want to go to bin and here. So once you're in this destination folder, you want to basically drag this folder. So you can easily drag it and place it here just like this. Then you want to click continue, and this will basically place the folder inside of your Java folder. So once you do this, you can check if your issue has been fixed. If you're still having issues, then I recommend going here and type in cmd, right click, and then run as administrator. Now here you can type a command that could fix your issue. So ipconfig flush DNS and press enter. Then ipconfig register DNS. Then netsh winsock reset. Now the last command, sfc/scan now. This might take a few minutes because it's gonna scan through your computer and see if there's any corrupt or like folders with error, and it's gonna repair them. So after this finishes, you can close it and see if this fixes your issue. If you're still having issues, then go to device manager and go here, and under display adapters, you want to make sure you have your graphics card drivers updated to the latest version. So right click, update, and here you will be able to update them. So if you click next, this will update them. And you want to make sure if you have multiple ones, just update as well. So updating your drivers to the latest driver like version, it will help fix some of your issues. And that's it.